All right, guys, here we are at the spot. I appreciate you guys joining me in this video, and I got the new car behind me. I know you guys have been waiting for me to reveal it. Thankfully, I didn't fall too far off the bandwagon, and you know, we're just gonna get right to it. Let's roll the beauty shots. All right, so today might be the day that we sell the WRX and buy a new car. I'm on my phone. You guys will not believe this. I went to pick up the car and they said they will not be able to deliver the car to me because the window is busted. So they're saying it's going to take a few days to get fixed, and then I'm just not having it. So we'll see what they say. And yeah, I got to talk quiet because there's people around, but we'll see. Yep, there's the car. Still have the car. Didn't trade in a WRX yet. Only reason is yesterday when I went to trade in the car, apparently someone had broken into the car and broke the window and attempted to steal the stereo. It's kind of weird, but it is what it is. But here I am. Next day, they said they can get another car, a little cheaper, a little less extras. It doesn't have the carbon fiber trim that goes in the back, but that's fine. I don't really care for it. So they got another one for me. It should be there ready when I get there, and the WRX will be gone. So nice beautiful day here in the Pacific Northwest. We are at Bainbridge Island, about to head to Seattle. There it is. Bye-bye, car. All right, there it is. Beauty shots, 19 STI, brand new, bone stock. I really don't have much to say about it right now. I'll give you a full first impression in another video, but I have gone through a lot of stuff trying to get this car, mainly due to my fault. Also, there were a lot of other cars that were on the list that I wanted to get over this one, but there were a lot of other factors in me not getting those other cars, mainly due to price and practicality. All right, so a little bit about the car. This is the 19 STI. As you can see there, this is the base STI model. This is not the limited with the Recaros and all the options and whatnot. The one thing I do like about it, it does have Apple CarPlay, so a big plus for that. But exactly what I wanted a stripped down model. I did not want a sunroof. I did not want the Recaros. The only thing I really did want was a push button start, but you have to get the Recaros if you want the push button start. That's okay, I'm gonna keep my $2,500. You know, it is what it is, but totally happy with the car right now. Yeah, I don't know what options it came with. Oh, it did come with the short throw shifter, which I don't really care for. I mean, you can get that on the aftermarket for a whole lot cheaper than the $500 that Subaru charges for the STI short throw shifter. Some of you guys might be a little disappointed. Some of you guys might be a little bit surprised. Probably one of the favorite features of the car are these massive 6-pot brakes. Totally dig it. Oh, one more thing about the car. This does have the revised engine. It's the same engine that you can get from the Type RA with the upgraded pistons. I don't know how upgraded, so I guess people are saying it's supposed to be a little bit more reliable than the previous versions of the EJ engine. 130 miles on the car. I literally just got the car 2 hours ago. Here we are, new adventure, boys. And I'm gonna be honest with you, this was probably out of the 5, 6, 7 cars, this was probably on the bottom of the list. But you know what, I just couldn't get away from Subaru. This one fit everything I needed, except for the gas mileage, but we all know that. If you know anything about STIs, you guys know about the gas mileage, but that's okay. You know what, I'm gonna keep this video short. There's gonna be a whole lot of videos when it comes to this car. A lot of the old mods are gonna transfer over to this car. Performance mods, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet. We'll discuss that later on. But before I even got the car, I already got a mod for the car, and it's probably gonna be filmed tomorrow, which I don't know when you're seeing this. New mod is already here waiting to be installed. But anyways, I appreciate you guys bearing with me. Sorry for the lack of videos. Boy, let me tell you, if there was a story to tell on how, yeah, I'll just keep it at that. But it is what it is. Once again, thanks for watching. Get ready for a whole bunch more content. And one thing I just want to say, Casey's back, by the way. So yes, his car is still being worked on. Big Turbo Project STI is going to be here hopefully soon. Once that's done, we'll film it. But it is what it is. Nice, beautiful day here in the Pacific Northwest. It's about 65 degrees and feels nice. Good day to buy a car. But 19 STI is here. WRX is gone. And yeah, stay tuned for a whole bunch more videos. And we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.